Hey man, the release then came, it then gone, and it's officially over for the Air Jordan 4 Bred Reimagined, man. What's going on YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into today's video. I kind of want to come in here, man, and just, kind of vent to you guys, because I know almost every single video we're talking about with me, when I was talking about the Air Jordan 4 Bred Reimagined, you guys was like, man, I'm ready to see something else. I'm ready for this release to be over, and it's finally here, bro. It's finally here. Now we can get back to the regularly scheduled content, give you guys something different to look at, because I ain't gonna lie, bro, the last month and a half, bro, the whole highlight, the whole spotlight has been on the Air Jordan 4 Bred Reimagined, and I ain't gonna lie, like, this deserved the attention that it did get, man. But before we get any further in today's video, right now, I need everybody to do is subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell for your boy, and please give a huge thumbs up on today's video, man. Y'all know the mics go a long way, and it shows YouTube you guys are enjoying the content, man. So like I said, man, like ever since the whole fiasco about the initial shock drop for the Air Jordan 4 Bred Reimagined, people were, on these like crazy, bro. Everybody wanted a pair. I'm talking about people that never even comment on my videos asking me questions about the Bred 4 Reimagined, because that's how much demand was on this sneaker right here. And that's why I kind of titled yesterday's video how I titled it. It wasn't enough pairs, bro. 550,000, whatever it was over the course of the shock drop and the initial drop on Nike sneakers app, bro. It was not enough, because some people put all their eggs in one basket. Everybody was banking on to hit on the pair on sneakers app. But you guys seen what happened, bro. It was so many people that wanted a pair, and I kind of was driving the resale up right now. I know a lot of people asking, yo, should I pay resale now? Should I wait? And I'm still on that fence on, like, waiting a couple of days. Wait a couple of days. Wait to the middle of next week when people getting their pairs in from Nike sneakers app. And then you can kind of see and gauge, if the resale goes up, goes down. And I'm kind of banging on it going down just a little bit. And that's when I will pull the trigger on getting a pair of Bred 4 Reimagined. I know a lot of people saying, like, it ain't sneaker of the year. It might be the military Blue 4s. It might even be the Air Jordan 11 Columbias. Who knows? But it is a lot of hype. It is a lot of love for these Bred 4s. And the other, huge elephant in the room is, are you taking the 2019 Breds over the Air Jordan 4 Bred Reimagined 2024? I'm talking about yesterday's video. If you go look at the comments, people was getting 3, 4, 5, even 6 pairs somebody said they got for these joints. And I think that this might be a good long-term hold. And I'm gonna go ahead and check StockX right now just to see, kind of what happened the day after, the aftermath of the drop. I'm talking about, bro, this release was crazy. I'm so excited that it's over. And yes, bro, the pairs are going up, man. Most of them are even almost going over $300, bro. Check that out, man. I'm put a screenshot up. But bro, my size 9.5 yesterday when we did the recap video was going for $260. Now they're already going for $289, bro. But like I said, I think the price will drop next week a little bit, and that's going to be the perfect opportunity for you to buy them. And I'm pretty sure Nike's going to do another restock here soon, a little small restock, probably not one that you want to bank on. And I'm telling y'all, bro, if you ain't got a pair yet and you really want a pair, next week, midweek, is the best time for you to grab them, because people are going to be dumping these pairs off on StockX, on Go, on eBay, as soon as they get them in hand when the prices is near that $300 price range. And if you guys are watching today's video and you did end up getting a delayed W today, like I told y'all yesterday, go into the stores, see when they let those, unconfirmed pairs go on Foot Locker and Champ Sports, and even, some spots like Snipes, DTLR, and stuff like that. They let them go the next day most of the times. So if you did go in there and you secured a pair, you got that dub, that delayed W, let us know down below in the comment section, man. I believe the next big, release that we will be getting from Nike in terms of, shock drops and, whole marketing crazy from Nike is the Air Jordan 4 Military Blues. They even moved the release up to April, which is, very, very soon. We might get that shock drop in March, or, the beginning of April, something like we've seen with the Air Jordan 4 Bred Reimagined. But I'm telling y'all right now, people are already forgot about the Breds. They're like, yo, I'm ready for these military blues. And some people passed on these Bred Reimagined just to get the Air Jordan 4 military blues releasing this year, man. Super dope. I never had a pair. I know that might go down as better than the Jordan 4s in terms of, you know what I'm saying, the demand, the hype, and the likeness of the sneaker. Because I don't even remember the last time the military blues and dropped, bro. We just got these in 2019, and I don't think the military blues came out within this time frame that we got the Bred 2019s and the ones this year. So it's a lot going on, man. Super excited that this is, you know, officially over. Can't wait to bring you guys, you know, some different content. Like, y'all tired of seeing the Bred 4. I know y'all tired of seeing it. That's why I wanted to make this video and tell y'all I'm with there with y'all. I'm definitely with there with y'all. But you know what I'm saying, when people are asking questions, when people want to see the sneaker, you got to think about it in a creator standpoint or content creators. You got to give people what they want, bro. And everybody was talking about and thinking about the Air Jordan 4 Bred Reimagined. It just is what it is, man. If you guys have not already checked out OutRank Brand, man, they got some super dope merch to go with the Air Jordan 4s. I got a hoodie right here that I was rocking during the unboxing, the initial unbox. You guys can see, get your bread up on the back, all black hoodie, and on the front, you got some nice designs on the front. It goes perfect, bro. Look at this. Sometimes I go perfectly with the Air Jordan 4 Bred Reimagined, man. So make sure you guys go check out OutRank Brand. Use my discount code TheVintage, save 10% off your entire order. I'm pretty sure this thing is probably, you know, on the risk of selling out here shortly. So make sure you guys go tap in, save some money, use my discount code, and get you some dope merch to go with your Air Jordan 4 Bred Reimagined. Is already gonna be one of the top sneakers released in 2024. If you guys have not checked out the full review and on feed over the eggplant phones, man, make sure you guys go check it out. I know y'all put this video on the back burner because y'all only cared about Bred 4 Reimagined, but go ahead and check it out, bro. The release is over. Go ahead and see what these eggplant joints is hitting for. I love them. We also got the Air Jordan 5 olive joints right here. I done dropped my whole Bred 4, but go ahead and check out the Air Jordan 5 olives. I will be doing the full, you know what I'm saying, breakdown, reviewing on feet here shortly. Love this sneaker. Got a dope, you know what I'm saying, fit to go with these right here. I already done cooked up some stuff in the background, but the on feet will be dropping this upcoming week because these come out next month. I think the beginning of next month, if I'm not mistaken. So you guys need to, you know, refocus your mind, see what else is coming out in terms of some dope sneakers. And the eggplants, the olive 5s is definitely up there in terms of, you know, people actually wanting to get these things, man. So I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys for tuning in, bruh. This is it. It's officially over. This should be my last Air Jordan 4 Bred Reimagined video. I know y'all tired of seeing them. I'm with there with y'all. And if y'all is, go ahead and leave a huge like on today's video. Comment down below. And yeah, it's it, bro. Let's go ahead and get to the next videos, man. Get this content out. Get this content pumping for y'all so y'all can see some different dope sneakers, man. Love y'all. Appreciate all the support. And I'm going to catch you guys in next video, man. Peace.